Listen carefully. Most people think WD-40 is just a basic lubricant. They are dead wrong. The true formula is actually a highly engineered, ultra-thin oil mixed with powerful solvents that chemically dissolve rust. The high-pressure propellant forces that oil deep into microscopic spaces your hands can never reach. That is exactly why it fixes problems where regular grease completely fails. Fun fact, WD-40 stands for water displacement, 40th formula, because the scientists tested it 40 times before they finally got it right. Every single professional mechanic shop has these cans sitting on the shelf, but they will never talk about what it can actually do. Why? Because once you know these secrets, you stop paying them for simple fixes. Before we drop the list, if you've ever used WD-40 to save the day, hit that subscribe button right now and share your story in the comments. Let's count down the 15 genius tricks.
Number 1, unfreeze a frozen car lock in seconds. It's below freezing outside. You're late for work and your key won't turn. You pull harder and you feel the metal key start to bend. Stop right there. Spray WD-40 directly into the keyhole. Wait just 5 seconds. The formula instantly melts the ice and drives out the trapped moisture. Try the key again. It turns like butter. Spray a light coat inside before winter hits, and your locks will never freeze again. Number 2, silence a squeaky door hinge permanently. That annoying screech every time you open the car door, that's metal grinding on metal. Ignore it, and the friction wears down the hinge pin until the door sags out of alignment, leading to a $400 body shop repair bill. Spray WD-40 right on the hinge joint, swing the door open and close 10 times to work it in, and the noise is instantly dead. 1 minute of work just saved you $400.
Number 3, free a stuck spark plug without stripping the engine threads. You're changing your plugs, one won't budge, and your socket slips. One wrong twist here, and you will strip the threads inside the cylinder head, costing you a massive $300 nightmare fix. Don't force it. Spray WD-40 directly at the base of the plug and let it soak for 10 minutes. The fluid will seep deep into the threads. Come back, turn it slowly, and it comes out effortlessly. This works perfectly for seized oxygen sensors in your exhaust, too. Number 4, loosen a corroded fuel cap. If your gas cap is stuck, forcing it will rip the internal rubber seal, throwing a check engine light and causing fuel vapors to leak. Spray the cap edges and threads, let it sit for 3 minutes to eat through the corrosion, and twist it gently. It'll break free instantly without tearing the seal. Wipe it down, and it'll turn effortlessly next time you fill up.
Number 5, stop battery terminal corrosion before it kills your alternator. Pop your hood. See that nasty white, green, or blue crust? That is pure acid strangling your car's electrical flow. It causes slow starts, dim headlights, and random dashboard warning lights. Ignore it, and it will kill your battery on the highway. Disconnect the cables, spray WD-40 directly on the crust, and watch it bubble for 30 seconds as it dissolves the acid. Scrub it with an old toothbrush, wipe it clean, and spray a light protective coat before putting the cables back. It'll start strong for months.
Number 6, protect electrical connectors from moisture. Rain, humidity, and road salt sneak inside the plastic wire plugs under your hood, causing the pins to oxidize. Suddenly, your engine runs rough because the ECU is reading corrupted data. Before the rainy season, unplug your accessible sensor connectors and fuse box plugs. Spray them with WD-40 and let them dry. It leaves a microscopic, waterproof shield that completely blocks out moisture. This 5-minute job prevents hours of expensive electrical diagnostics.
Number 7, restore cloudy headlights without an expensive kit. Yellowed, hazy headlights cut your night visibility by half, creating a massive safety hazard. Don't waste $50 on a restoration kit and hours of sanding. Clean the headlight, spray WD-40 generously over the lens, and wipe it in circles with a microfiber towel. Within 30 seconds, the fog lifts and the lens becomes crystal clear. Fun fact, shady mechanics and detailers do this right before handing a car back to a customer so it looks brand new. It lasts about a week, making it perfect before a night drive or a car show. Number 8. Free rusted bolts without breaking them. You're turning a rusted bolt. The wrench groans and snap. Now you have a broken bolt stuck deep inside your engine block. Total nightmare. Put down the torch and the impact gun. Spray the rusted bolt heavily with WD-40 and let it sit for 15 minutes to break the corrosion bond from the inside. When you come back, tap the bolt gently with a hammer to let the vibrations drive the oil deeper into the threads. Twist slowly and it will back right out without snapping. Perfect for suspension and exhaust repairs.
Number 9. Bring dying window regulators back to life. If your power window crawls up slowly and makes a horrible grinding noise, the motor isn't dead yet. The rubber tracks are just clogged with years of dirt and dried grease. If you leave it, the motor will burn out, costing you $300. Roll the window all the way down, spray WD-40 straight down into the side rubber channels, and cycle the window up and down 10 times. The grinding stops instantly, and the glass will glide like absolute new. Do this twice a year to protect the motor.
Number 10. Silent squeaky streaking wiper blades. When your wipers chatter and leave blurry streaks, the rubber is dried out from UV heat. Don't go drop $40 on new blades just yet. Clean the blades with a damp cloth, then spray WD-40 onto a rag and wipe down the rubber edge. The formula completely restores the rubber's flexibility and strips away road grime. Wipe your windshield clean, turn them on, and they will sweep silently and crystal clear.
Number 11. Eliminate dashboard squeaks and interior rattles. Driving down the road with a constant, tiny plastic rattle inside the cabin can drive you absolutely insane. It happens because dry plastic trim panels rub together as the car moves. Spray a tiny amount of WD-40 onto a cloth. Never spray it directly onto the dash. And wipe the seams where the plastic panels and air vents meet. It lubricates the tight joints and permanently kills the friction noise, leaving your cabin luxury car quiet.
Number 12. Remove old sticker residue without scratching your paint. You peel off an old bumper sticker or a parking permit, and it leaves behind a horrible, sticky gray mess. If you try to scrape it, you will scratch your clear coat. Spray WD-40 directly onto the leftover glue and let it sit for 1 minute to dissolve the adhesive bonds. Take a microfiber towel, wipe gently in circles, and the glue slides right off like magic. Wash the area with soapy water, and the paint looks factory fresh. Number 13. Stop rusted license plate screws from snapping. Those cheap factory screws holding your license plate on rust incredibly fast, staining your bumper. If you try to force them off, they snap, forcing you to drill them out of the bumper. Spray them down, let it soak for 5 minutes to dissolve the rust, and use an old toothbrush to clean the threads. The screws will back out smoothly whenever you need to change your plate. Number 14. Restore chrome bumpers and trim to a showroom shine. Road salt and rain turn beautiful chrome dull, cloudy, and pitted with tiny rust spots. Do not use harsh abrasives that scratch the finish. Instead, spray WD-40 over the chrome, wait 10 seconds, and buff it out with a clean microfiber cloth. The oxidation dissolves instantly. The mirror shine comes back, and it leaves a protective barrier that fights off future salt damage. This is a classic detailing trick for high-end classics. Number 15. Prevent rust on your entire undercarriage and suspension. Your car's underbody takes the worst beating from winter road salt and wet mud. Once rust attacks your control arms and frame, a simple suspension job turns into a catastrophic $5,000 replacement bill. Prevention is incredibly simple. Safely jack up your car and spray WD-40 over every exposed metal part underneath: suspension arms, subframes, wheel wells, and brake lines. The oil actively repels water and completely blocks road salt from touching the metal. Doing this right before winter adds years to your car's lifespan.
A $10 can of prevention beats a $5,000 mechanical disaster every single time.
That is 15 genius ways to use a simple blue and yellow can to save thousands on your car. Now, I need a quick favor from you. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss a secret. Drop a comment below right now. Which of these tricks are you going to try first? Which one surprised you the most? I read every single comment and I reply to them all. Share this video with a friend who is throwing money away at mechanic shops and help them save cash. Thanks for watching. Keep those cars running smoothly, and I'll see you in the very next video.